Educational Psychology Part 2. Majority of students in a large class are found dozing. There are maybe something wrong with the teaching process. Skewness is present in mean equal to median equal to mode. Teaching aid means blackboard, charts. Children House is the name given to the school by Montessori. Research problem is feasible only when is researchable, is now, and adds something to knowledge, is utility and relevance, all of the above. Effective teacher adopts the norms of the democratic society. Social interaction involves all of the above. Adjustment, cooperation, opposition, all of the above. The Gurukul system in education standard is ancient period. Outstanding functional psychology in the education during the first quarter of the present century was Thorndike. Educational objectives such as knowledge, understanding, and application come under the category of general objectives. Who is regarded the father of scientific social survey is Booth. Research antagonistic to exposed factor research is experimental studies. The Indian educationalist who founded a school on a principle that true education of the child is possible only through an intimate contact with nature is Rabindranath Tagore. Which of the following areas of cooperation should be regarded as most basic in your opinion? Is school and community. We learn from newspapers and reports that the national average of the literacy rate in our country is about 36%. The most important area of school supervision should be instructional work. Attributes of objects, events, or things which can be measured are called variables. The process not needed in experimental research is reference collection. We often hear about the mental health of students. This help is needed on account of worries and anxieties. Experimental study is based on the law of single variable. Per capita income of India from 1950 to 1900 is 4 times. This study is longitudinal. All are example of qualitative variables except observation. Seeing is very big rally. It was reported that JD will win re-election. The conclusion was based on cluster sampling. An example of scientific knowledge is laboratory and field experiment. Formulation of hypothesis may not be necessary. Survey studies. Main problem of school education is increasing dropouts. Education helps a child to develop his or her emotional intelligence, social intelligence, career skills, all of the above. Question number 190. The following is weighted aggregative indices, all the three: patches, less pairs, Fishers. Logic of induction is very close to logic of sampling. Total error in a research is equal to sampling error plus non-sampling error whole square. In order to augment the accuracy of the study of a researcher, all of the above should increase the size of the above, should be honest and unbiased, should keep the variance high, all of the above. All causes non-sampling errors except inadequate sampling. If you are doing experimental on large group of sample, which method of controlling will you adopt? Randomization. The following is weighed aggregative indices. Which one is runoff? None of this. The other name of independent variable for experimental research is all of the above. Treatment variable, experimental variable, manipulated variable. Historical research is different from experimental research in the process of replication, formulation of hypothesis, hypothesis testing, all of the above. For proper conducive environment situation, which of the following are necessary? All of the above. Proper seating arrangement, common peaceful environment, cooperative and competitive group situation, all of the above. This was responsible for the founding of Red Cross Society. Is Geneva Pact. The year in which Scout movement was established in India is in the year 1917. Scout movement was started by Baden-Powell. Which one of the following is not related to a Scout movement? Is cadet. Total number of basic principles of Red Cross Society is 7. What is our objective of early childhood care and education, ECCE? All of the above. In the Scout salute, 3 fingers are raised and the other 2 are bent. What do these 3 fingers signify? 3 promises. Red Crescent Society is another name of Red Cross Society. Who is connected with the computer software? Bill Gates. True religion is in the hearts of people and not in the man-made creeds. These words is uttered by Dr. Radhakrishnan. In a class where very good teaching is effected, the students will develop self-satisfaction. Intelligence quotient of the slow learner will be 80 to 89%. What type of education do you suggest to the children in the present context? Environment and value education. As a teacher, what activities do you suggest for developing service attitude among children? NSS. Which one of the following is the most valid expectation for the teaching? Challenging work. If responses are reinforced, learning rate will be faster. Basic reading material for school children is textbook. Sour grapes attitude is an example of rationalization. Aim of Arivoli Iyakkam is to hasten adult education. Which one of the following aspects you like most in the job you are going to undertake is periodical rest. The teachers are those who make history of the nation. This was uttered by Vance. What type of education do you suggest to the children in the present context? Environment and value education. This question was repeated. As a teacher, what activities do you suggest for developing service attitude among the children? NSS. Which one of the following is the most valid expectation for teaching? Challenging work. If responses are reinforced, learning rate will be faster. Basic reading material for school children. Textbook. We will see question number 229. Stagnation means child remains in the same class for many years. Main aim of arranging play festival is to encourage cooperation among schools. As a teacher, which one of the following attributes do you expect from the student most? Is sincerity. First university in India was founded at Kolkata. Swami Vivekananda derived his ideas mostly from the Vedas. Value education means moral education. When did you decided to become a teacher? My childhood days. Right to education is fundamental right. World Literacy Day is September 8. In Tamil Nadu, the recently established university, Periyar University. It's a repeated question. Most essential skill that is required for a teacher is skill of communication. MLL represents minimum level of learning. The success of students in school life depends upon none of this. Gurukula system of education aimed at individual attainment. Teachers' Day is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of Radhakrishnan. Creativity is inherent in all of this. Which of the following subjects give you information about human values and human development? Social studies. Learning in free atmosphere was advocated by J. Krishnamurti. A overprotected child is likely to be withdrawn. Multi-factor theory of intelligence was put forth by Thurston. Mananmaniam Sundaranaar University is in Tirunelveli. Our class test preliminary test, the achievement of pupils. 251, that which helps teachers to work with enthusiasm is prizes and prices. Important feature to be found in a history textbook is maps and genealogical charts. Educational institution can become a member of internet accessibility at VSNL. reason for the student to join distance education is study while working. Indian Education Commission, headed by A.L. Mudaliar, submitted its report in the year 1952. Mention your perception to teachers. That is, one who explains, one who motivates, one who discusses. All of the above. Which one of the following is not a co-curricular activity? Seminar. Which one of the following you consider as most effective for learning? Writing. What is the role of a teacher in school? All of the above. Each one teach one was a motto started by Rajaji. Mother tongue is the best medium of instruction for the school children studying in primary class. Education given to the children of age 3 to 5 is known as pre-primary education. As a teacher, what development do you expect from a child in the class? All of the above. New education policy during the period of late Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi was formulated in the year. None of this. Juvenile delinquency generally is from broken homes. Equivalent of present plus 2 student standard was formerly known as intermediate. Which of the following is related to teaching training? CTE. Be prepared is the motto for SCOT. Who founded the JRC Society? Burton. In which year Indian Red Cross Society was founded? Year 1920. For inculcating self-study habits in pupils, which of the following maxims of teaching should be followed? From teaching to self-study. National Giant in Aid for Education and National Loan Scheme for Education was started during 5th 5-year plan. You have different types of person living in your area. Which one of these person would you prefer to meet often? Social worker. Who was founder of Aligarh Muslim University? Sir Syed Ahmad. Our President Dr. S. Radhakrishnan took his teacher training at Chennai. Growth and development at the child is determined by 2 factors: heredity and environment. Students should be advised to adjust their study table at home in such a way that light comes from left side. Which of the following is not an attribute to culture? Innate. Which audio-visual aid is simple, easy to use and not expensive? Is cassette. Which of the following statement regarding levels of teaching is not correct? Teaching at all the 3 levels is not possible in one period. A good communicator needs to be gold at use of language. Which of the following skills, qualities is most important for a researcher? Ability to work hard. A dogma is different from the theory in respect of any one of the following. Experimental verification. Educational TV was first introduced in India in 1959. The term instrumentalism educational philosophy means the same as nationalism. Studies of adopted children have demonstrated that intelligence is due to heredity environment interaction. First psychologist who collected detailed data on adolescence was Stanley Hall. Direct personal interviews constitute primary data. The lowest and the biggest value that can be included in class is class limit. Sum of deviation of the items from median inequality the signals least. To study the distribution of wealth and income is Lorentz curve is used. If both the variables are ranging in the same direction, it is called positive correlation. Students learn more from the teacher who is hardworking. Process of expansion of an individual capacities qualitatively should be termed as development. A teacher has to be sympathetic towards slow learners. Facial expressions of students related to which element of the communication process is message. If the scatter diagram is drawn and the points come to a straight line, it is an indication of perfect correlation. Freehand method is used. Time services. Effective teaching adopts the norms of the democratic society. Calculus was developed by Leibniz. Problem: which of the following type of desk would you prefer as being convenient for students to write? Minus desk. In contrast to the average 20 years old, the average 60 years old is probably superior in intelligence. Crystallized. We usually avoid remembering something that is associated with fear or unpleasantness. In tradition language, those avoidance is termed as surprising. Famous mini man measure of things was the brain called of humanization. Which of the following is the most essential characters of a research worker? Open-mindedness. Controversy between science and religion in the West started Darwinism. Characteristics of all informal and formal communications are different. Our formal educational system deals mainly in the testing of crystallized ability. Final result of the study will be more accurate if the sample drawn is representative to the population. Socrates is a Greek philosopher. Educational psychology is used to formulate teaching policies. Suitable education for higher secondary students is practical training. All students have individual differences. Rude students may be regulated by both A and B, giving more homework, giving some punishment. A skilled teacher should have in-service training regularly. Suitable syllabus for primary classes is both A and B, mother tongue, arts and game. Education will protect the original culture. Education which eradicates unemployment problem is technical education. Teacher-students contact is more in formal education. Reason for increasing bad teacher is lack of training. Education through experience is a lifelong process. Teaching through a lesson plan is beneficial because all of the above. Teacher can modify his own behavior after evaluating his pupil. Teacher can achieve all the objectives by adopting suitable strategy. Teacher can complete his syllabus in time. Indian education was changed frequently. Good behavior of the students shaped by the parents. Planned learning is related to individuality of the students. The process of learning is the process that continues throughout the life. Which of the following is correct definition of a teacher? Friend. Teacher should be a friend. Teacher should be a guide. Teacher should be a philosopher. Who is the informal but important teacher of a child? Is mother. Intelligent quotient of an individual is permanent. A person having IQ of 65 should be classified as an moron. Which of the following is the most important to the student? Teacher. Teachers can attract the students by using blackboard with a color chalk piece. Education is two-way communication. It is necessary for a teacher to try his best for good of the students. The teacher should learn the education technologies separately. It is essential. If the teaching would be more effective, the teacher should use audio visual. It is said that students consider teacher as a role model. It is correct? Yes. Older people do well as young adults on the test of vocabulary. Field study is related to experimental situation. The outstanding functional psychologist education during the first quarter of the present country was Thorndike. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.